you're lost in the night, you can't see the light, my love will see you through.
I will always be there.
You'll have me there.
I will always be with
You.
Everyone, we're back in my new YouTube channel, Fun with Your Dog. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own dog toy. Well, maybe you guys have the same problem with your dog, that he loves ripping the toys, and that's what I'm going to show you today. This is the new dog toy. And this is what's made of. Only a water bottle and a sock. So it's pretty easy. You're just going to have to take the water bottle, take off the lid, and put it in the sock. One thing, you better want to take a sock that's broken already. And then you just make a knot at the end, so the water bottle won't fall off. In there it is, the new dog toy. So you won't have any problems if the dog will rip it, because you can just make another one, and you won't lose your money for a dog toy. So let's check if he likes it. Lenny, come here. Well, yeah. Yeah, he likes it. And he wants to play. You know your dog has a new toy without losing your money. Well, oh, there's an airplane. Wait, there is it. Okay guys, that's everything for today. It's gonna be a really short video today. Have an awesome day, and never let go of your dreams, because they come true, and stay positive and dream big. And we will see you on the next video, which is gonna be on Wednesday. And I just found out that my last Wednesday video was with bad quality, so it won't happen again. Yes, and then have an awesome day. See ya, guys.
Time to go to bed at night. I'd like to curl up by your side and dream of another day with you. So good night.